Many times at work, we are being asked to create reports and also track them to closure. In this video, I will be explaining how to create a report and track them effectively. An example can be to track training progress of team members of Team Alpha. Before you start creating a report, it is important to understand who the target audience are. The report can be used by an individual, team, or senior leadership. Based on the audience, column and details in them will vary. Basic columns that we need to add are number, description or title, name or owner, date, status, and progress notes. Mention the type of date you are tracking. Example can be start date, end date, date of completion. Before you proceed, remember to save the Excel with the file name that matches the report. Example can be training progress alpha team. If this report will be used or updated daily, it is a best practice to add the date along with the report to help us understand the difference between yesterday's and today's report. Once the table template is ready, use Home and Format as a table option to draw borders for the table and also add colors to the column names to help us differentiate between the column name and the row items after them. Then, using the View Freeze Pane option, we can fix the rows and the columns view to help the users navigate easily. You can also add colors to status. An example will be green for complete, yellow for in progress, gray for not applicable, and red for not started. Final step once the base data is ready is to add progress notes. Always add the latest progress notes on top and the previous ones should be in the bottom. In case there are more than one member tracking the or updating the report, it is best to add either the full name or the initial of the person along with the date in when they are updating this report so that it will be easy for the person who's reading the report to understand who has actually provided the updates. It is also a best practice to make the previous notes gray in color and the latest alone in black color to help the reader differentiate between the current progress and the last progress. However, please don't delete the previous notes because it will help the user understand how much progress we have been able to make or if there are any roadblocks. Thank you for watching the video. Hope it was helpful.